and it's had only brief spikes below this line. But essentially it's gone sideways. And even more than that, look at this. It spent quite a bit of time right there. Okay, so the market really hasn't gone much of anywhere. We've got a false breakout here, 2 false breakouts here, 3 really. So in spite of a lot of activity, the market has gone nowhere. This is where you've got to be very, very careful, because this is where you can, if you get stopped out, this is where it's very easy to get off track and to start doubting the system. Now, even though the market has gone sideways, you've got to realize that there's a 162 pip range there, 132 there. These are about one session from top to bottom. There's 245. There's 191, 116. That's, I think, about 92. 106. Why am I doing this? 122. I'm doing this to show you that even though the market has gone sideways, there are still big enough ranges to make money. Okay, the smallest range so far in the last couple of weeks has been 106 pips. Even that is still a big range. It's more than enough to make money on. So the opportunity is still there. Now, I'm not saying that to make you feel bad, like you're somehow missing out on opportunity. What I'm saying is, traders, we've got to be careful that we don't start thinking that there isn't any opportunity. That's the whole point. Is even though the market has essentially gone sideways between this narrow range, there have still been opportunities in the market to let your profits run. That's the key. You've got to still let your profits run. You still have to be ready for the market to make a big move. Remember, the average move here from high to low is 140 pips. That's a pretty big range for the day, and that hasn't changed a bit. Meaning, there's still opportunity. I guess I'm trying to say that in like 5 different ways, but all I'm saying here is that there's opportunity in the marketplace. So don't get discouraged. These types of markets, when the market is trading sideways like this, that wasn't quite what I was trying to do. Sideways like this. This is when the market makes it hard. In fact, I was just talking with a couple of other professional traders today, and we were all talking about how the market really just isn't giving that much of a clear direction on any time frame, really. We were talking about the S&P 500. We were talking about individual stocks. We were talking about currencies, and the patterns are just not very clear right now. And sometimes the market just gets that way. Okay. Now I want to move on to some of these questions and comments. This is a spreadsheet, and by the way, thank you very much for sending this to me, William. If you would please send me examples of your particular trades, let me have permission to share them with everybody. And what I want to do is just talk about some of the things that the members are doing that are different. Like here's a spreadsheet. This is a 20 trade segment worksheet, and I think he's done a bang up job here. Okay, so you can see that he's got the date, market, the win, loss, scratch, how many points, and then over here on the right hand side, the different comments. Okay, and you can see that this doesn't have to be overly elaborate. I made this trade based on the information and triangle pattern. Open new position based on 22 pip stop. Open a long position, may get stopped out, not sure how long to hold this. Open based on the original long. Open based on quick take profit. Okay, so these are the comments. Okay,